right, what's going on, traders? Welcome to another wild, crazy day in the market. It was another epic day to trade the trend. Okay, you've heard me say this a million times. There is no force on earth that can ever stop a trend. And in my humble opinion, a trend trading system and a trend trading style is going to be far superior than any other trading technique in the world. All right, but don't take my word for it. Let's take a look at some actual live trading charts from today using the master indicator. So first things first, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. Guys and gals, I'm telling you, the NASDAQ, which by the way, you can trade on any asset class. Okay, you can trade it on Forex, you can trade it on futures, and yes, you can trade it on stocks and options. This particular symbol, the NASDAQ, which is basically a basket of the top 100 largest tech stocks in the world, all right, this thing is on fire. In fact, if someone were to call me up right now and ask for my opinion on what is the best trading symbol in the world right now, my answer would be the NASDAQ, because it's explosive and this thing trends like an absolute monster. And one thing that I think a lot of you guys are forgetting about in your day-to-day active speculating and trading in the market is you're forgetting to select the right symbol, right? Remember, there's hundreds, if not thousands, of symbols that we can elect to choose to trade, but there's only a handful that are even worth trading. You understand? And boy, I'm telling you, the NASDAQ is at the top of my trend trading list. Speaking of trend trading, what you're also seeing on this chart right now is our proprietary green and red volume indicator profile. This is an indicator that does a phenomenal job of helping you predict the prevailing trend before that trend actually happens. You understand? Case in point, you can see right here, all right? This volume indicator turned red at exactly 9 a.m. this morning. And when that happens, it tells you that, yes, there's a greater chance than not that the market's going to start trending down. And case in point, you can see here, just 30 minutes later, the volume indicator turns green, telling you that, yes, there's a greater chance than not that the market's going to trend higher. You understand? But just because this indicator nails the starting points of trends in the markets doesn't mean that this is where we go long or short, right? The special and secret technique that I love to show my clients and my customers is to play these nice, deep retracements. Okay. Why? Because these retracement patterns, guys and gals, I'm telling you, they happen almost every single day, no matter which market you choose. Okay. Anyway, for those of you that still don't know or are still not in the know, let me educate you right now and make this crystal clear for you. Okay. Step number one, we need to identify the trend change. Okay. So when this indicator changed colors here from red into green, this was our alert, right? This was a clue or an indication that yes, the trend has now changed and we now need to be playing this from the long side. But we're not done. Step number two of this process requires us to see a bit of an established uptrend start, and then more importantly, we want to see the market come back to us, aka pullback, aka retrace. Okay. I know all you guys and gals who were trading the NASDAQ today, I know you caught this trade. I know you did. All right. But for everybody else who got the direction wrong today, all these retail traders and amateur traders and goofballs who have no idea what they're doing, well, they were probably screwing around on their garbage charts. And maybe you were one of these guys, right? Trying to clown around on your Bollinger Bands or your stochastics or whatever this complete trash is. All right. All I can say is there is simply no substitute, guys and gals, for having the right professional software and maybe even more importantly, having a professional trader's mindset and approach to speculating in the market. I mean, that's all we do, right? We speculate. We try to look for very high probability setups like this that increase our odds to catch a profitable trade. I mean, this system is phenomenal, right? Anyway, so when you see this pattern show up guys and gals, what I like to call the retracement pattern, okay? Your potential entry on this trade would go on the open of the next bar, which is right there, and your stop loss would get placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath that signal bar's low, okay, which is right over here. And yep, you guessed it, the spacing here that you can see in between these two lines represents the risk on the trade. You follow? And if you ask me, this is not a bad risk-reward profile, especially on the NASDAQ, which is simply an explosive symbol to trade. The NASDAQ will rip for 500 or 600 ticks in seconds, okay? Anyway, this was the winning ticket from the morning session. This was the one and the only long trade that nailed the starting point of this magnificent bull run all the way up for a shocking 600 potential ticks. Okay, and we got in all the way back here. Okay, and you know what's funny? Here's another nice bullish retracement right there. In case you guys missed the first one, you got a second opportunity right there. But ideally, what I tell my customers and my clients is the first retracement is typically going to be the best one. This has a very good risk-reward profile, and in my humble opinion, this entire trading system is simply unbeatable. All right, traders? So continue to stay disciplined and continue to keep crushing it. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.